Good morning to one and all. Today we are discussed to about unimolecular substitution reactions. Unimolecular substitution reaction it is the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of the reactant. So it is known as unimolecular reaction. Means the rate of reaction depending on only one reactant. So it is known as unimolecular reaction. It is denoted with SN1. SN1 means S substitution, N nucleophilic, 1 first order. Okay. So this is known as SN1, uni. Means it is also called as uni also. Uni means one reaction. Okay. So in this unimolecular substitution reaction only tertiary alkyl halides are involved. Means only tertiary alkyl halides are participating in this unimolecular substitution reactions. Okay. Now means primary alcohol, secondary alcohols are not participate, so it is known as unimolecular substitution reaction. So the rate of reaction is directly proportional to Rx. Means Rx means alkyl halide. Means in this reaction already we have to learn previously alkyl halides which are reactive with the water molecule or otherwise strong bases, so they are used to alcohols. Here also like that only, means alkyl halides are participating and gives to alcohols. What is that? Alcohols. Okay. For example, we can take the reaction between tertiary or butyl bromide, means it is a alkyl halide, means tertiary butyl bromide you can take, or otherwise the secondary alkyl halide also you can take, means that is known as butyl bromide. On hydrolysis, so it will gives to tertiary butyl alcohol, and as well as bromide and also liberating. Okay, that is the secondary product. Means it is depending on, means it is follow the first order kinetic reaction. Means in our physical chemistry three types of reactions are there, kinetic reactions. In that zero order, first order and second order. This reaction is depending on only first order reaction. Means in first order reaction the rate of reactants are directly proportional to its concentration. So that is the first order reaction. So already we have know that reaction in previous classes we have learned. Okay. Now we can see SN1 reactions more facilitate in polar solvents. For example, tertiary bromide react with alcohol nucleophile OH will be liberated and it is attacking on the bromide alkyl halide. Means the bromide is eliminated, OH group is substituted. Okay. So here two types of products we are getting. Means first one is 50%, second one also 50%. Means it is known as racemic mixture. Okay. What is that? Racemic mixture means 50% we are getting. But in last time what is that? Richter-Meyer reactions or the Sedgwick reactions, in we are getting only first product is more, second product is less. Okay, once you can remind. So here we are getting 50% means equal ratio products we are getting. So it is known as racemic mixture. SN1 reaction takes place in two steps. Means here the SN1 reaction takes place in two steps. This is also called rate determining step. Means the first step is known as rate determining step, RDS. That is known as RDS. The alkyl halide ionizes to give carbonium ion. Means here carbonium ion is getting because of bromide and is eliminated. So formation of carbonium cation or otherwise carbonium ion. Okay, positive nature of carbonium ion. Then so here we can say carbonium ion symmetrical structure is there. Already we have to learn that what is the symmetry, what is the unsymmetry in the stereochemistry. So it is a symmetrical structure of the carbonium ion. In the second step, the first step is there. This step is the incoming nucleophile attacks on the carbonium ion either from front side or back side to give 1:1 ratio of the products known as racemic mixture. Okay, means here we can see, we can see OH molecule. This is the OH molecule, so I writing. So this side will be possible attacking and this side will be possible, means right side also no problem or left side also no problem. So automatically the molecule will be changed. So we will get the, here see, here I will pointing. So OH, so if the left side will be attacking OH molecule, means the OH will be get left side, means this type of product we are getting. If right side to attack, means this side, so we are getting this type of alcohols. Okay, so this is the nucleophile. Here also they are showing. So tertiary butyl alcohol is getting racemic mixture. Okay, energy profile we can take, means the diagram of SN1 reaction. So here we can see tertiary butyl bromide and as well as the elimination of the bromide, means TS1 step 1. So then formation of intermediate carbonium cation intermediate, then afterwards nucleophile is attacking, so formation of racemic mixture. Okay, this is known as SN1 reaction.